Tired of endless channel scrolling and want quick access to your favorites? Unlock IPTV secrets today. In this fast guide, we'll show you how to add favorites with ease on your IPTV service. Access your channels instantly without wasting time. Let's dive into this exciting IPTV feature. First, find the menu button on your remote. Press it to access settings and preferences. Navigate to the channel list and spot your favorite channels. It's simpler than you think. Select the channel and use the Add to Favorites option. Watch as it gets added instantly. With your favorites set up, accessing them is now just a click or two away. Did you know 2TV.store makes managing favorites as easy as pie? They are truly the best. Their intuitive interface allows you to manage your favorite channels without any hassle whatsoever. Forget the headache of finding channels. Simply enjoy your tailored TV experience. One more tips on optimizing IPTV. Stay tuned and hit that like button to support us. And if you're interested, check out 2TV.store for fantastic deals on IPTV services. Go from scrolling to streaming in mere minutes. Change your IPTV experience with favorites. Tailor your IPTV to fit you and never miss out on your top shows again. We hope you found this guide helpful for your IPTV setup. Stay connected and entertained. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful IPTV tips. Until next time.